Good morning and welcome to the channel here. It's a snowy day on the Upshift Z71 channel. Look at the snow all over the wheels. Man, that looks so cool. But yeah, I haven't driven any of the trucks yet thus far, but we are definitely going to start her up and do a little cold store for you. And Silverado's all loaded up. As you can see, snow is getting inside the cab, so we got to get out of here pretty quickly. Gotta love that blacked out bumper. I think this is actually the first winter, the first winter that I'm going to have the blacked out bumper Silverado. Had the Silverado for a couple years, but I finally did that mod a couple months ago when it was actually warm outside, unlike today. But yeah, I finally wanted to get that done. Before I head out here, I'm actually going to remove the spare tire from the truck. I figured, what's the point of even having it? It's not even the right size for this truck. It really serves no purpose, and it's just adding weight to the truck, so maybe we'll see a big power increase. So I got the key in here somewhere. Yeah, right there. I saw before I tied this to the truck there. As you can see, it's getting pretty snowy, but the lock is right here, and it's definitely served its purpose. Now I just gotta unlock it. As you can see, I painted this whole thing. It was chipping up pretty bad. It looked pretty horrible whenever it was under the truck, but of course I've painted over this many times. Let's get this out of here. Let's see what the other side looks like. Yeah, it still looks really good actually for how long ago I painted it. I guess I could probably throw another layer on. You can see it's really dirty. Wow, so there we go. The bed looks like it does have a lot more room, and I do like to look at this more, and I'm gonna let the leaves fly out on the highway, so that's always taken care of. I did throw another layer on the outer portion that was actually facing down. I guess the moisture was just trapping there, so it was starting to corrode a little bit. It was new, just gonna let her sit right there. Guess we'll head out with the truck, start her on up. All right, we are back on the road today, and the snow is just, man, it's getting everywhere. And oh, yep, it's all crusted over. Can't really see much. But yeah, I hope they really don't put the road salt on the ground. I know it's snowing, but it's not that bad. I don't think they should really do that. I hate road salt so much. Well, I did prepare the truck on the underneath, but still, I don't want my truck to be destroyed. It's the first time that I've actually driven in the snow this year, and I guess it's all right. It's not really that bad. It's been a lot worse before, and I've slipped around, and these tires are mud terrain tires with low tread, so you know how that works. Someone is literally biking out on this right now. I don't know what I'm gonna do here, man. I think I'm fastening it. Yep, all right. Stop here, and then we're gonna head on out, but just check out this truck, man. All snowed up on the hood. It's the Christmas Silverado. So here's a little comparison. We got a Ram 1500 Hemi over here. It's kind of like Colby's actually, without the Lipton tires. Looking at right here, we got the, looks like they got a tree in the back. Ram 1500 V8 Magnum. Gotta love those second gens, man. I love the body style. A lot of people don't like them, but I think they look actually really nice, especially with a set of aggressive tires like that. The first state of Delaware. Cummins? No, just the Hummins. Fucking road salt. 5.3 Chevy versus 6.7 Power Stroke. See ya! Uh-oh. This guy behind us means business. Oh, Cummins, bitch. Yeah, just got out of Walmart. It looks like they had it in stock. And check out this second gen Cummins, man. Huge ass exhaust tip. Big tires on it. Mud terrain, Firestone mud terrain tires. I'd say they're probably 33, 35. Custom bumper, KC lights. Look at that custom paint job it has. That is a 6 second gen, man. Probably 3,000 horsepower. There she is, the 5.3 Silverado, man. And there we go. Got some lights for next year, you know what I mean? Good deal right now. And yeah, forgot an energy drink at home. Bought 50 cans of energy drinks, and I forgot to bring one with me. So I had to buy one at Subway, which conveniently is inside the Walmart. Yeah, it's snowing pretty bad. I think they're gonna put the road salt down now. It's getting pretty bad out there. I don't want them to do it, but they're definitely going to. no. It's getting sticky on the roads, man. I was already slipping earlier.
I'm still gonna send it.
Got a salt trucker right there. Fuck him. Oh man, we're getting ourselves into a sticky situation now. This is not good, guys. Very, very bald tires to be driving on these roads. When I was younger, I would always shovel snow with my friends. We'd make a little extra money on the side. It's always fun to do. It's definitely some tiring work though. Shoveling snow is not an easy job, especially if you don't have a snowblower. I'm talking about we just use shovels. I know a lot of people get snowblowers now, and I actually have one, but still, doing it by hand, it's a better workout. So what I'm thinking is that if I stick to these back roads the whole time and I avoid the highway, well, I should be able to avoid the road salt completely. I'm not really sure. I'm sure they would treat the highways first because there's more traffic there, and then they'll get to the back roads. So it sounds like a good idea, right? It's coming down pretty good, and places that aren't getting touched on the road is, well, better than none of the other. Last summer I did install the wheel well covers for the rear for the 07 to 13 body style Silverados. I know they don't come with anything, which is weird. Isn't it weird that it's just bare metal, that's all they leave you with, and you have to go aftermarket to get something that should be stock? And then a year after this truck, of course, they put in some nice well covers that they look amazing, and they're like that nice fabric material to it, so it's not easy to scrub, but I'm sure that it's a lot more durable than just that cheap plastic lining that they put in the front of this exact truck. I hope that catches a lot of the road salt and from it going into the back and underneath the bed and everything, because that's always where the worst of it always is when it comes to rust. Hopefully we get lucky here with the rough country well liners. The question of the day is, would I ever buy a plow and really put my truck to work and make some extra money with it? The answer is no, absolutely not, because of course, when you're a plow truck, you are the first to hit all the road salt. You're always out there with the other guys laying down the salt and everything, and you're putting some real strain on your suspension components in the front end. And I'm lifted, so that just wouldn't make any sense. But yeah, I would never do that at all. That is just terrible. It really, really does work your engine. It works your front suspension components, your transmission, and it rusts out your truck. People, when they're buying trucks, they always try to avoid the plow trucks because they know that those have been worked really hard. They've never driven that often, and when they are driven, they're driven hard. So it's just a double negative that does not equal a positive at all. As I'm saying this, and look at this, like the snow is coming down and it is not going to stop. In town back there, it didn't seem too bad, but now, yeah, it seems to be really slippery up here. Crazy though that you can still feel the heat. See, I'm not running any heat or AC or anything, any conditioning of the air for that matter, and I can still feel the heat from the engine and the inside of the cab, and that's what I do like. I don't like when there's just blaring heat just straight in your face, just tiring you out and making you tired and want to fall asleep. That is not what I like. One of these houses had a 6-door OBS Ford. Had to be custom. They definitely don't make that from factory back in the day, and that's definitely something crazy. Are these people hunting? I think they are. Some people hunting right now in the snow. That's what they always do, just park off to the side. Just saw a dually with the stacks, man, and I've seen gas trucks with stacks as well. I think it's stupid. Look at that truck. Some nice offset on that power stroke. But yeah, I saw a dually with stacks, and I would say if I got stacks, I couldn't decide between a single or a dual, and I would definitely go for black ones. I would definitely know that. I know that I do like the ones that go straight up, but of course you would definitely need buckets, so a little angle to them. I don't mind that at all. Would I put gas stacks? I don't think so. That would be kind of really dumb. There's really no point. I mean, yeah, it would be a lot louder, really pointless. It would never blow smoke, unless you had a problem, unless you were burning oil or something, but then it would still be stupid. The real question is, would I stack the Cummins? And that is definitely, I don't know. That is something that I probably would do down the road, but I'm not really sure on which brand, dual or not dual. It's things and ideas that I would need help from you guys to really figure out where I'd want to go with that. All right, man, we know it's snowing and all, but you can pick up the pace here. I can see that you're from Pennsylvania, so you should be used to this by now. That guy's lifted Toyota for all you Yoda fans. Got one right there. So I know I'm probably going to get buried in snow here, but let's do a quick question and answer. Are you rich? No. Do you like coffee? No, but I do like caffeine in a form of a sugary drink. Last movie you watched? I don't even remember what it was. I think it was a Fast and Furious movie, yeah. What is your favorite pet? I would like to have a dog, and specifically a hunting dog. If you could have any supercar, what would it be? I would probably have a Lamborghini Performante, or whatever. I am actually looking for a car like that. Whichever is the fastest Lamborghini. I think the body style just looks the best. I know that all these other cars have their pros and cons, but when it comes down to just the looks of the car, I think the Lamborghini looks the best in my book. And if I was going to go American made, which would be the hardest decision because I'd probably keep an American made, I'd say Corvette, Viper, something like that. I don't really like the GT. It doesn't really look that good to me, and for the price and everything you have to go through, that's just ridiculous. When will you buy a Ford? Well, when will I buy a Ford? I'm not really sure. If I bought a Ford, it would be a 6.7 Power Stroke. I think that from here on out, I'd probably continue to buy a diesel truck. They have more power, and I just think they look cooler. I think they sound cooler. They have a turbo stock, a heavy-duty axle and frame, for a lot of reasons, actually, and I already have a gas truck now. I will never get rid of this truck, so I'm already good there. And yeah, Ford is just the only thing missing in the arsenal. Are you married? No. Favorite scents? Diesel. How old are you? 20 years old. Are you in debt?
I declare bankruptcy!
Do you have kids? No. Summer or winter? Summer. Do you use drugs? No. Where were you born? Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Ever fallen in love? Yeah. Do you have any siblings? One brother. How much do you earn? Oh, money. What is your eye color? Brown. What are your hobbies? Trucks. Computer or television? Computer. Do you like joking a lot? Come on. I think I'm going to seal the deal tonight for a very big modification for the Ram that you guys are going to really enjoy. It's going to add power. Not only is it going to add power, but it's going to also add sound, and sound from something that you guys want to hear louder, and that may be a turbo. I don't know. Yeah, so it's going to be tonight that I'm going to really seal the deal there, and of course it's snowy outside, so there's really not going to be much to do. I do have my fishing stuff, so you can only imagine why I'm parked at this desolate location. Of course, it's very obvious now, and you guys are really getting in tune with my life. Well, because I fish all the time. Oh, look at that! Cummins, guys. Oh yeah. So I appreciate all my viewers. Make sure to share this video with everybody. I'm really trying to get out there. I'm trying to get a lot of subscribers, because what comes with the subscribers comes with views, and then all proceeds of YouTube I'm going to put into these trucks with different mods, and we're going to do definitely cool stuff. The more I can afford, the more I'm going to do. If I can travel and go to crazy meets around the country, I'll do that. So definitely share this video with your friends. Send it to everybody you can. I even brought my nice camera with me. If you guys were wondering why this is here, I was going to use it for today's video, but I'm not trying to really bring it out there in this weather. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next video. Until next time, take it easy. Just getting a good old-fashioned thumbnail. Actually went on the trail for a long time. Check it out. Right there.